If you are planning to travel, then what you can also do is utilize a plugin in ChatGPT called Travel Guide. So to access that, you need to go around onto Explore GPT's section right here, and then over here in the Search GPT section, type in Travel Guide right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and type that in, you can see that Travel Guide is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here and then start the chat right here, just like this, then you can see that the travel guide opens up. So now let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say I am planning to travel to, let's say, for example, New Delhi, India, right here, just like this. Prepare a 4-day travel plan for me. And I'm going to say I am traveling with my family of 3 right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that right here, then you can see that it says welcome to New Delhi in the morning, afternoon and evening. You can see that it prepares a travel plan for day 1 right here. Then you can see that it prepares travel day 2 right here, then 3 and 4, as you can see, just like this right here. So now this is what you have, as you can see right here, and then it simply prepares out a travel plan for you, just like this. And that is how you can utilize the travel guide plugin inside of ChatGPT to get your travel plans just like this. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.